Alright guys, this is my old cell phone remote. Hear that? They're rattling around. Not working. About every other year they break down, so I need another one. Okay, turn this on. But before I turn it on, see it says not connected. Yeah, just turned it on. Change to connected. Alright, so now it's connected. So, see, we're gonna go to camera and we're gonna go to photo. Okay, it's now photo. Hit the button. Yeah, I just took a picture. Hit video. See the counter in red? Hit it again. We just made a 10-second video. So that's all you have to do. And when you're done, let's see. Go back to settings. See, it still says connected under AV shutter 3. So what we're gonna do is turn it unit off. Okay. Now it says not connected. That's all you have to do. And the recommended app is a free app called Camera 360. So you can use this free app and it can help you edit your settings.